guys, and this is taste testing again. Remember when we tried hamburger and I said it's disgusting because it's disgusting and it tastes like melted cheese and hot dogs.
Pringles. Hamburger Pringles. Okay, what are we doing today?
And today we're doing barbecue.
Barbecue Pringles.
I'll give you one right now. Barbecue Pringles. I'm giving you two this time.
Why?
Because you might like it. Mmm! That's good.
Tastes like a Lay's barbecue. Doesn't taste like the Pringles. There's no salt.
It tastes good.
It's good. I think it
Oh,
would
there's
be
hot peppers in here.
Oh yeah, I guess there is hot peppers.
I don't taste them. Dad, stop.
You too.
Sorry, I didn't know how this thing worked.
Got sweetness to it.
Let's see.
I don't know.
Tomato?
Oh, maybe tomato. Maybe tomato, onion. I don't know.
Tomato, onion, and pepper.
But it is barbecue.
Another one.
You wanna know? Oh god, it came out of nowhere. But ooh, get that bunch. But this is Hello Kitty Master. Well, this is her channel. You might know me, 30 Creative Creepers, or you might know me as Rye Rage. But oh, I taste the salt now.
Me too.
Now
Now does it taste good now? Wow.
I love barbecue.
Now we're gonna end the video. So bye.